Welcome to the Health Collective, a channel dedicated to your well-being. We're here to be your trusted companion on your journey to optimal health, providing you with reliable, research-backed information to help you make informed decisions about your wellness. Our mission is simple. We want to empower you with the knowledge you need to lead a healthier, happier life. Every day we comb through the latest studies, consult with health professionals, and delve into traditional wisdom to bring you the best advice in nutrition, fitness, mental health, and more. We believe that when it comes to health, knowledge is power. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the 10 best vitamins for nerve repair in the human body. Nerve health is crucial to our overall well-being, and it's something we can all benefit from understanding better. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's explore this together. Stay tuned to learn about the 10 best vitamins for nerve repair in the human body. First on our list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. It's primarily involved in metabolizing the energy needed for nerve cell function, and, as a result, aids in nerve repair. When our body is deficient in thiamine, nerve cells can't function properly, leading to nerve damage. Moreover, thiamine helps in the production of myelin, a protective sheath around nerves that facilitates the swift and efficient transmission of electrical signals throughout our nervous system. It's like the insulation around electrical wires, without which the signals would be slow and muddled. But how do we ensure we're getting enough thiamine? It's simple. Incorporate thiamine-rich foods into your diet. These include whole grains, meat, especially pork and fish. Some fruits and vegetables like asparagus and oranges also contain thiamine, so don't forget to include vitamin B1 in your diet for a healthy nervous system. Next up, we have vitamin B6. This isn't just any ordinary vitamin, it's a key player in nerve function. That's right, vitamin B6 is essential for the development and maintenance of a healthy nervous system. It helps the body produce a variety of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that carry signals from one nerve cell to another. Now you might be wondering, how does vitamin B6 aid in nerve repair? Well, it's quite simple. Vitamin B6 aids in the synthesis of myelin, a protective layer that covers our nerves. Without sufficient myelin, our nerves could be left exposed and vulnerable to damage. But where can you find this wonder vitamin? Vitamin B6 is found in a variety of foods. From poultry and fish to whole grains and bananas, there are plenty of delicious ways to ensure you're getting your daily dose. Remember, a little vitamin B6 can go a long way in maintaining nerve health. Moving on, we have vitamin B12. This powerhouse vitamin plays an essential role in nerve health and repair. It helps in the formation of the protective covering of nerves, known as the myelin sheath. Without a healthy myelin sheath, our nerves can't function optimally, leading to a range of neurological issues. But here's where vitamin B12 truly shines. It aids in the regeneration of nerves, particularly those that have been damaged. This makes it an invaluable ally in nerve repair and overall nerve health. So, where can you find this fantastic vitamin? It's abundant in foods like lean meat, fish, and dairy products. For those following a plant-based diet, fear not. Vitamin B12 can also be found in fortified cereals and nutritional yeast, ensuring that everyone can benefit from this nerve-nurturing nutrient. Ensure you're getting enough vitamin B12 to keep your nerves in top shape. Another vital vitamin for nerve repair is vitamin C. Often overlooked in the realm of nerve health, vitamin C plays a crucial role in maintaining and repairing our nerves. This powerhouse vitamin aids in the production of collagen, a protein that helps support the structure of nerves. It also functions as an antioxidant, protecting nerves from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. But that's not all. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of our nervous system. This means that a sufficient intake of vitamin C can help ensure our nerves communicate effectively. Now, where can we get this nerve-nourishing vitamin? Vitamin C is abundant in a variety of foods. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are well-known sources. Yet, other fruits like strawberries and kiwis, as well as vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli, are also packed with this essential vitamin. So add some vitamin C to your diet for a healthy nervous system. Up next, we have vitamin D. Often christened as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D plays an essential role in our nerve health. It aids in nerve repair by promoting nerve growth. This growth is essential for the recovery of damaged nerves and ultimately contributes to maintaining a healthy nervous system. Vitamin D is unique because our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. However, it's also found in certain foods such as fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, beef liver, cheese, and egg yolks. Moreover, Fortified foods like milk and cereals also provide a healthy dose of vitamin D. But don't forget, maintaining the right balance is key. Too much or too little vitamin D can lead to health problems. So consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. A healthy nerve system is a gateway to a healthy life. Make sure you're getting your daily dose of vitamin D to maintain nerve health. Next on the list is vitamin E. This vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining and repairing nerve health. It's an antioxidant, which means it fights off harmful substances in your body called free radicals. These free radicals can damage your nerves, so having plenty of vitamin E can help prevent this. Vitamin E also promotes blood circulation, ensuring that your nerves receive the nutrients they need to function correctly. It's like a round-the-clock caretaker for your nervous system, making sure everything is running as smoothly as possible. So where can you find vitamin E? It's abundant in foods like nuts and seeds, spinach, broccoli, and even in certain types of fish, like trout. You can also find it in fortified cereals and fruit juices. But remember, it's always best to get your vitamins from whole food sources when you can. Including vitamin E in your diet can support your nervous system health. Let's talk about vitamin K. This essential nutrient, often overlooked, plays an integral role in your nerve health. It's involved in the synthesis of sphingolipids, an important class of lipids that are crucial for the proper functioning of nerve cells. Without enough vitamin K, nerve repair can be hindered, potentially leading to a number of neurological issues. Now, you may be wondering where to get vitamin K. This vitamin is abundant in many foods. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are top contenders. Other sources include certain vegetable oils like soybean and canola, and some fruits such as prunes and kiwis. Interestingly, vitamin K is also produced by the good bacteria in our gut. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome can therefore contribute to your vitamin K levels and, in turn, your nerve health. So remember to include vitamin K in your diet for a healthy nervous system. Another essential nutrient for nerve repair is magnesium. This mighty mineral plays a vital role in nerve function and health. In fact, it's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies, many of which are crucial for nerve transmission and repair. When it comes to nerves, magnesium helps maintain their electrical potential, ensuring that signals are sent and received effectively. It also supports nerve regeneration, helping damaged nerves to repair and regain functionality. Moreover, low levels of magnesium have been linked to neurological disorders, further underlining its importance for nerve health. So it's clear that this mineral is not something we can afford to overlook. Now, where can we find magnesium? It's pretty straightforward. Green leafy vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are all excellent sources. Magnesium supplements are also available for those who struggle to get enough from their diet. Don't forget to add magnesium to your diet for optimal nerve health. Last but not least, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These superheroes of the nutritional world play a critical role in maintaining the health of your nervous system. They help to form the protective sheaths that surround our nerves, acting as a sort of insulation that ensures smooth and efficient transmission of signals throughout our bodies. But how does this translate to nerve repair? Well, omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help to reduce inflammation in damaged nerves, aiding in their recovery and repair. And the best part? These fatty acids are found in abundance in many common foods. You can get your daily dose of omega-3s from fish like salmon and mackerel, nuts and seeds such as flax seeds and walnuts, and even certain types of oils like flaxseed oil and canola oil. So remember to include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet for a healthy nervous system. That wraps up our list of the 10 best vitamins for nerve repair. We've journeyed through the alphabet of vitamins from B1, B6, and B12, each with their unique benefits to nerve health. We've talked about the antioxidants found in vitamin C and E, the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D, and vitamin K's role in supporting neural health. Not forgetting the essential minerals and fatty acids like magnesium and omega-3 that play a crucial role in nerve repair and function. Just remember, each vitamin has a unique role in the body, and they work best when consumed in a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. Your well-being is a journey, and every step you take towards understanding your health is a step in the right direction. We hope this video was informative. Don't forget to subscribe to the Health Collective for more health and wellness videos. Your health matters.